What is Saiybot? Join us for our first launch of 2024. New Alexa-style WA plugin will set up, write, optimize, manage, update, and handle all your websites. New Alexa-style WooPlu plugin will set up, write, optimize, manage, update, and handle all your website's needs for you. We have finally created the first and only Alexa-style robot that takes over all the most vital aspects of your websites for you. And you're only 3 steps away from having our old bot step into the driver's seat of your business. Step 2, run our setup wizard if you're setting up a new site. You can skip this step if it's an existing site. Step 3, speak to our Alexa-style robot to set up all your automations for you. You're just installing our Owl robot and telling it what you'd like for it to do for you. We have automated the entire process of running and maintaining all your websites with Owl so you can be on your way to more traffic and profit. Our proven high-converting funnel sales funnel and commission. Find everything you need to grow your business right here, Marketplace. Top categories: e-commerce, business, health, fitness, self-improvement software. And the best part is, this offer is 100% risk-free to you.
Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and if you're watching this video, then you have successfully completed your purchase and you are now inside of the members area. Now there's a couple of things that I want to cover so that you can get up and running as quickly as possible with our platform. Number 1 is that our tutorials tab is going to be to your left hand side on the menu bar. Make sure that you go to that right after you're done watching this video, because that's what's going to help you to get up and running with our platform as quickly and as efficiently as possible. In those videos, we cover everything that you need to know about how to use our platform and everything to help you really get going right away. Okay. Secondly, if you run into any issues at all, we're also going to have our support tab on that menu sidebar as well, so that you can reach out to us at any time. And our support system is very simple. It's all based on email. So you just send an email to our support email address, and our team will receive it right away and get back to you, usually within 24 hours, depending on when you send it. So if you send it on Friday, then most likely you'll either get a response that same Friday or up until Monday. All right. And lastly, all of the bonuses that you got access to as well will be on that menu bar as well. So you can go ahead and check that sidebar for those bonuses. But besides that, thank you for purchasing, and we look forward to hearing your success story. Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and thank you for visiting this page. If you're on this page, then you're interested in checking out all of my products. So what I did was I created this page which has all of my products listed, the name, a short description, and a link to be able to purchase that if you choose to. Okay, so go ahead, go right below this video. All of my products are there, and I'm fully proud of all the ones that I've created, and I'm sure that they can help you in your business. Okay, so go right below this video, check them out, and thank you again for visiting this page.